Hi, I'm Holly Franks, and I wanted to share with you why I love the Primal Restoration Program and why it's important to my family. First and foremost, I love Nora. Nora has impeccable standards. She holds herself accountable for the accuracy and the legitimacy of the information that she's distributing, backed up by her own research, oodles and oodles of research. She has created this program to empower people with the correct information so that they may, have conversations with their doctor or evaluate academic information in other books or in magazines. Wherever your sources are for getting information, you will not find a better resource than Nora Gedgaudas. Whether you're reading her books, which I never leave home without, I am constantly referring to these books, or you're in the 52-week CEU program, or you're embarking on the 3-week meal-by-meal transformation program, which is an excellent place to start. She will provide you with a foundational, functional perspective on how your lifestyle and your diet impacts your body. This is basic anatomy and physiology. Everybody's bodies function in the same manner. We all have our nuances, but basically we are connected by this anatomy and physiology. The numerous benefits that my family has received from the primogenic eating plan and being in ketosis. Myself, the cognitive improvements are off the charts. I can actually have a conversation. I would never be able to make this video if I hadn't have been in ketosis. I could not recall words. I could not have conversations with people. It was embarrassing. It was frustrating. And, society tells us when we get older that this is just part of getting old. No, this is not normal. And she will explain to you why. You will be able to connect the dots on how all of this creates these issues in your body. I can roll over in the bed without needing assistance for being in debilitating pain. My body was riddled with inflammation. I was taking 1,000 milligrams of naproxen a day, and that was starting to not work anymore, which I have since learned through my education that is counterintuitive. My body would have never been able to heal on its own. The primogenic way of eating encourages your body to heal itself by root cause healing, not just slapping solutions on symptoms. Some benefits that my son has received, being on the spectrum, high-functioning Asperger's, I can tell you without a shadow of a doubt that his anxiety and sometimes frightening behavior that goes along with autism, he has recovered from those symptoms. This is our experience. Therapeutic ketosis can repair neurological impact, whatever environmental, genetic, or environmental event that happened that caused this autism. He has recovered from those symptoms. And it is amazing that we can use our diet and lifestyle to control these types of issues that we're experiencing. An added bonus is that Nora is not going to leave you high and dry. She has a private Facebook group. We have access to her every week. If you have burning questions or you are struggling with an issue, she is going to direct you to where you can find the answer. These 2 books right here, I never leave home without them. I constantly refer to them. They are a gold mine. So I hope to see you in the Facebook group.